In this video, let's see how to register an apheresis donor in SafeTrans application. Let's start with homepage. Need to click on our first module, blood collection. In donor registration, the first option is in-house. On in-house registration page, we need to enter details to check donor eligible criteria. Click on advanced filter to enter donor details. We have to search donor any of option given like name, mobile number, date of birth, gender, and donor ID. We can also use combination of it. Enter the donor's first name, middle name, and last name in given fields. You can also enter the donor's other number. Enter the mobile number in the mobile number field on the form. And date of birth option. Select the gender from the options male, female, transgender. You can select the process option from the registration process type drop-down menu. Default, it is set as donor for whole blood donation. Choose apheresis option for SDP donation process. Click the search button in the form to initiate the search. Given details will check in the application records. If it is already saved in SafeTrans, it will provide you on-screen donor is eligibility criteria details. If donor is eligible, you mark it as repeated donor and continue. And if donor is not found in application, you have register as a new donor. Click the Add Donor to add a new donor. System will show you an alert message as, do you want to add the new donor? Click on OK. This is in donor form, need to fill it step by step. Step first is to enter donor details. Click on donation type. You can select the donation type from drop-down option. Options are voluntary, replacement, autologous, relative, voluntary. In relative and replacement donation, you have to enter patient details. If you want to capture donor photograph, click on Upload or Take in Photo option. Select the date of birth for the DOB field. Or enter age of the donor. One field is mandatory. You can also enter marital status and national ID/other number. Both fields are optional. Click on the Profession drop-down menu to select a profession. Profession menu is also optional. Click on the Donor Club drop-down menu in the form. Donor is some donation club member. You can select the club name. This field is an optional field. If donor is willing to donate blood next time for apheresis, bone marrow, stem cells, organ, you have to click in checkbox. You can enter mobile number and email ID of donor. Need to enter address of donor in address field. City is set as default from master as required by blood center low activity. Otherwise, you can select city name from drop-down. You can also add city name from common master. If donor is repeated, select repeat donor option yes or no. If yes, you can enter last donation details. Click on the Select Repeat Donor drop-down and choose yes in the form. Click on the Counseled by drop-down and select the appropriate counselor's name in the form. Click the Save button in the bottom right corner to save the information entered in the form. This is donor unique ID, contain record in SafeTrans application of donor. Click the back button in the top right corner to return to the previous page. Step 2. In counseling queue page, by scrolling the cursor on name of donor, its details will pop up. Click on the Start Counseling button corresponding to a donor to begin the counseling process for that individual. On this page, donor questionnaire results, need to select if donor is not fit, need to enter defer duration in day and its defer remark. Then click the Save button in the bottom right corner to save the form data. Acknowledge the record saved successfully message by clicking the OK button in the pop-up. Step 3. In screening queue page, we need to enter medicals details of donor, such as enter the donor's weight in the weight field. Under each section range is given, it is set as per blood center required. If entered value is not in range, donor will be deferred. Input the donor's hemoglobin count in the hemoglobin field. You can also enter donor's blood group from the blood group field. If you can performing slide blood group at the time of donation process, it will be a primary blood group of donor. Otherwise, you can keep it as blank. Select the screened by user from the screened by field. Enter the blood pressure reading in the blood pressure field. Enter the pulse rate in the pulse field. Click on the screened by user name. Select the medical officer. As we have select the registration process type as apheresis, here it will directly show. Tick on vein is OK for apheresis. Here we are having option to select that you want to do is pre-screening required. And generate ads ID, select yes or no. If yes, next step will be is apheresis pre-screening page, and if no, next step will be step 4 ready for collection page. Click the save button at the bottom right corner of the form. If select yes, ads ID will be generated for print. Print option.